we're headed to Vogel State Park today. Sophie, are you ready? You ready? You ready to go bye-bye? You are? All right. Angel's kind of ready. I'm not too sure about her. She's not too sure about it. And Lily Bell's all ready. She's got her spot and she's ready to go. Let's go. We're headed to Washington, Georgia. It's a foggy morning. Looking forward to our trip. We're on I-20 West. Well, you can tell we're getting up into the hills of Georgia, the mountains. We're 17 miles out of Vogel State Park. Kind of a cloudy day, but rain is held off. I think it will continue to be okay. That's Lake Trahilta over to our left, named for a Cherokee Indian princess. It's a beautiful drive into the state park. That's a walking trail just to the left that goes all the way around Lake Trahilta. This is the check-in and welcome center. We were very pleased with our site, number 74. It, through the trees, overlooks Blood Mountain. Blood Mountain is where a tremendous battle between the Creeks and Cherokees took place in 1600. The Cherokees won, driving the Creeks from this area. We're all settled in. This is Ricky from Blairsville. He takes care of the maintenance at the state park. We're always grateful for our campground host. Our host is Richard from Columbus, Georgia. It's always nice to be close to the facilities, and they are sparkling clean. These are some of our neighbors. Here's a pop-up camper and a tent. There's everything from the big Class A's to fifth wheelers. This is our neighbors above us. This couple was in an SUV and they were tent camping, and he locked his keys into his SUV, but a maintenance man came and used a tent spike to get him going again. Our site was in the tent camping and van area. It was very quiet and peaceful. Our Shelties enjoy camping too. This is the bridge over Wolf Creek, the center really of the park that flows into the lake. That's Lily Bell on the left. She's a rescue from the Atlanta Humane Society, and Angel and Sophia. This is Wolf Creek dancing and twisting over its rocky bed, making sweet sounds. eating inside because of the rain. Our last day was sunny and beautiful and mild. We were able to build a campfire and grill some steaks over the campfire. Well, this morning's our last morning here at Vogel State Park. Sure has been nice. It's 9 o'clock on Thursday, October the 1st. We're in the tent camping area. Down below us is the creek. And to the left is, I think, Blood Mountain. It's 140 miles back home. We had a nice campfire last night. Joyce grilled steaks. It was really good. There's Angel and Sophia, my wonderful wife, my lovely wife Joyce. Say hello, Joyce.
Hello.
And let's see. Of course, Lily Bell has her spot inside. She don't like to get out much. She likes to stay right there on her pallet. Let's go home. You ready to go home? We're going home. Yeah, we are. I'd always wanted to go to Vogel State Park. My mother went there for her senior class trip in 1940, and she often talked about it and how much she enjoyed that one day and how beautiful it was. We had a great time at Vogel State Park. It's a place we'd like to go back to someday, but we have a lot more Georgia state parks to explore. Right now we're thinking about taking a trip to Watson's Mill, which is only 66 miles from our home. I love our beautiful North Georgia mountains. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and share, and God bless each one of you.